Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. Today we have this 2009 GL450 with 174,000 miles. Very nice subscriber saw my other video regarding GL450's transfer case chain issues, and he reached out. He was local to me and he's having the same issues with his car, so he brought it over to get it taken care of. So let's take a quick look around. This car is white with cream interior. Very nice condition. He's had it for a long time. Look at the inside. This one doesn't have the off-road package. Some of these GLs have a rare option that you can notice when they have 4 of this round switches over here instead of 2, and they have low range, rear differential lock, and extra settings for off-road height. But it's pretty rare to see those. This one doesn't have it, and I don't know if I haven't seen one that has it other than the ones listed for sale. Car looks great on the back. With a big disc drive, very soft, kind of like a S-Class, comfy. Gonna lift it up and take a look at it from the bottom. Here's a look at the bottom of this GL450. So we'll start from the back. Dual exhaust. Independent suspension in the back. You see the diff. Axles look clean. No grease, fairly newer Bilstein shocks on this car. The dual exhaust going all the way back. Here's a transfer case with a new chain installed already and fluid put in. No more play, and it's gonna go for a while now before it has issues with it again, hopefully. This car is overall in very nice shape. There's no leaks that I can see. The axles look good in the front too, the CV axles. Overall, very nice condition. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Here's the transfer case chain. Very loose. You can see why under load you will be skipping. We're about to fix that. Here's a new chain, nice and tight.